SmarterMe Quiz. Can you unscramble these words? Hint: they are names of animals. You have 5 seconds to unscramble each word. Leave your answers in the comment section to get a special shout out in my next video. The answer is lion. The answer is goat. The answer is cat. The answer is monkey. The answer is ostrich. The answer is dolphin. The answer is giraffe. The answer is dog. The answer is tortoise. Correct. The answer is hare. Did you get all the answers correctly? Don't forget to like, share this video to your friends, and subscribe or follow so you don't miss my next video. What video would you like to watch next? Let me know in the comment section.
SmarterMe Quiz.